Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Enzyme. What is Leisure Time Enzyme? A blend of natural enzymes that breaks down oils, lotions, and organics that cause unsightly scum lines and odors in spa water. Helps reduce the need for maintenance of filters and spa surfaces. Product benefits: reduces maintenance of filter and spa surfaces. Removes oil, lotion, and organics from the spa water line. Repeat once each week to keep the spa free of buildup. Compatible with chlorine, bromine, ozone, and biguanide sanitizers. Usage directions. Initial treatment. Step 1. Add 1 oz. per 250 gallons of spa water. Step 2. Repeat daily until the scum line is gone. Weekly maintenance. Add 1 oz. per 250 gallons of spa water weekly to avoid buildup at the waterline. Dosage. Startup. 1 fl oz per 250 gallons of water. Routine maintenance. 1 fl oz per 250 gallons of water per week. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.